Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a free landing page for CPA marketing. I'll be showing you step by step the absolute best and easiest way to create completely custom professional landing pages for promoting CPA offers. And we are going to do it totally free without annoying watermarks or restrictions. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the initial step before actually building our landing page is that we need to choose the CPA offer that we're going to be promoting with this new page. If you don't have one already, you can head over to cpagrep.com, log into your own account, and there they've got tons of offers spanning multiple categories that you could pick from. You will find similar inventory on just about any CPA network, email submits, zip submits, app downloads, trials, and so much more, each with their own payout structure when you refer users or leads. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this random offer right now. And the idea is that when someone arrives to the landing page, enters their name and email address, gets registered for the gift card giveaway contest or whatever CPA offer you've got, if they end up staying on the email list as an active subscriber, then you will be getting paid monthly residuals. And this is just one of dozens of high converting offers that you could promote. The next big step after selecting our initial CPA offer is choosing a platform that we're going to use to actually build and host this landing page. And personally, I've tried them all over the years: Leadpages, ClickFunnels, Wix, and so much more. They all work very well in their own ways, but most become limited pretty fast in terms of templates or customizability, and especially the monthly costs that pile up. But for the unlimited professional landing pages that I've been putting together more recently, I almost always just turn to Google Sites. It's 100% free, they allow complete customization, zero restrictions or watermarks, and you get free hosting on your own custom domain name once you publish your pages out live. And of course, they load very fast as well. So I'm going to start by opening a blank template right here. An easy change I always make is updating the boring untitled name and title text there to match whatever campaign theme that you're building around. It just helps you visualize and stay focused on the overall concept. Now, the site does open with pretty unattractive default formatting of the text and the colors, nothing catching your eye or inspiring action. But that's completely fine, as we've got 100% control to make this thing shine however you envision it. So I'm going to tune up this header text real quick with some font changes, make it look bigger and more bold. Maybe underline the price value amount and do everything I can to make it more eye-catchy. Of course, you can and should get creative here and make it appeal to your own customers and audience. Next up, we have the blue header strip that is running across the top. We can do so much better with that. And I actually recommend structuring your landing pages using more of the banner style formatting for the header. It gives you a nice big background image which helps set the scene. So just by selecting that banner header format, now we've got instantly a much more visual scene setting background going on. And you should go ahead and build or customize it around the offer that you have and you will be promoting. Perhaps drop in a header image more closely related, the logo or theme colors, or photos of the actual offer that you have, just something to reinforce what you're offering for the visitors. You can browse Google Images real quick and see what kind of relevant header graphics might work. But for now, I will settle with this design for the demo of this video. Moving on, you should drive things home with actual page content, can't just leave an empty website. And this is where you should help people clearly understand what they're dealing with. And we obviously want to call out that phenomenal prize value that they could win to capture the interest. Again, for a final production ready page, I would craft up much more detailed supporting text around the specifics of the giveaway contest or whatever kind of offer I'm trying to get out there. Maybe hit the psychological triggers more, add social proof, etc. But I just wanted to demonstrate a few core components so that we can spice up the boring looking page that you land on from a blank template. Now, so far we should have implemented some decent branding cues and benefit driven copywriting, but we're still missing the most crucial piece of any landing page, which is the call to action. So you gotta guide the visitor to take the next step towards our CPA offer after whetting their appetite around the potential prize. And this usually comes in the form of an action button. So you can grab and add a button and maybe label it, claim your offer now or something like that, make it look very big and visible. And this is where we would paste in our unique CPA link from the offer details page that you're looking to promote. That way, when someone engages and clicks your call to action button, they get forwarded seamlessly into your flow. And that is what a simplified example landing page should look like. Only thing left would be doing the final touches and officially publishing this so you can drive actual traffic, collect leads and rack up your conversions. So within their publishing settings, you can give your page a custom standout web address, get secure HTTPS encryption going, and even connect your own custom domain if you want, all 100% for free. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.